Good morning, third graders. Today is Wednesday, April 15th, 2020. This is your to-do list for today, and then I will hop into our math lesson. First things first, please watch our video for today. I will post the link here as soon as I'm done. Make sure you watch the whole thing. I do go through our lesson so that you know how to do our math work for today. We have our attendance question of the day you need to answer. It will be some more 11s facts, just to brush up on what we were doing yesterday. Here's the pledge from Miss Noni's. Today your task is going to answer some questions. They're 12s facts, which we'll go over in our lesson, how to solve 12s facts. You need to do one certain lesson. Make sure that you're clicking on Miss Morgan's stuff. So I might say click on her section if you're in her group. And then your specials today is art. There's one change. On Wednesdays, my office hours are always an hour later. So my office hours today are from 3 to 4. So the link will appear at 3 o'clock in the pink box up here, and then it will disappear at 3:50. Now remember, that's just for you to ask questions if you're struggling with something. So let's start on our lesson for today. Okay, our big idea in this unit is multiplying bigger numbers, and today we're going to jump into multiplying 12s. Okay, so if I have this problem 12 times 2, this is going to be one strategy. So I can draw my array that shows 12 times 2. And one strategy is to break it into smaller arrays. Now, I really like working with tens, so I did 10 times 2. I still kept my height of 2. And then I did a smaller box, 2 times 2, a height of 2 that never changed. And you'll see 10 plus 2 equals 12. So this is the same as doing 12 times 2, but it's breaking it up into easier numbers. So I have 10 times 2 equals 20, and 2 times 2 equals 4, then what I need to do is do 20 plus 4. So I take this answer and add them together to get my big array answer. So this is one option. Another option is to stack it. We did a little bit of this before we left, so you might remember it, okay? First thing we do is we multiply up. So I'm going to do 2 times 2, okay, which equals 4. And then we multiply diagonally. So we do 2 times 1 equals 2. Gets us the same answer of 24. Okay, we're going to try one more. So for this, we'll do 12 times 8. See, that's our problem. Now notice I did it again. I did my array. I broke it into a 10 and a 2. My height always stays the same as 8. Okay, so I did 10 times 8 equals 80, and 2 times 8 equals 16, because I know 10 plus 2 gets me that width, or that base, of 12, and my height always stays the same. So then I take my answers. 80 plus 16 equals 96. Okay, let me let you look at that one more time. Okay, this is the array strategy and breaking it into smaller chunks. And then we have one more strategy, or stacking it. So we multiply up first. 8 times 2, okay? We know that equals 16. So what I've done here is I keep my 6 on the bottom and I carry my 1, and I'll show you how we do that in just a moment. Then I'm going to multiply diagonally. 8 times 1, we know 8 times 1 equals 8, and then we have to add in that 1. So 8 times 1 equals 8, plus 1 equals 9. It gets us that 96. So these are two quick strategies for solving your 12s. And now you'll go into Google Classroom and you have some 12s facts to solve and one story problem. Now, I'm not giving you multiple choice for the 12s facts. You need to figure out the answer on your own. Please make sure that you're using a piece of paper at home, and I want you to try either the stacking strategy or the array strategy. And at the end, I will ask you, did you use the stacking strategy or the array strategy? Okay, so to go over your tasks one more time today, you need to watch our video all the way through, answer the attendance question, listen to the pledge, do your 12 facts questions, do one Zern lesson. Make sure if you're in Miss Morgan's group, you click on her section. We're doing art today with Miss Hunter, and then we have office hours from 3 to 4. I hope you have a wonderful day, and please come see me from 3 to 4 if you have any questions.